Hi everyone, summer is coming and nothing is more important than keeping your home cool and comfortable. But did you know that a little AC maintenance now can save you money, prevent breakdowns, and make your air conditioner run like new? In this video, I am going to share simple and effective maintenance tips for split AC and cassette AC units that any homeowner can do. Let's dive in. First, let's start with your outdoor unit, the powerhouse of your air conditioner. Here's what you should do. 1. Clean the condenser coil, remove dust, leaves, and any debris that may have collected over the months. This helps your AC breathe better and cool faster. 2. Keep a clearance of 2 to 3 feet around the unit. No plants, furniture, or clutter. Air needs room to flow freely. 3. Check the condenser fan, listen to unusual noises, and make sure it spins smoothly. A weak fan can reduce cooling efficiency. 4. Ensure the unit is level and stable. If your AC is tilted, it can cause vibration, noise, and even damage the compressor over time. A clean and well-placed outdoor unit is the first step to efficient cooling. Next up is your indoor unit, the part that keeps your room cool. 1. Clean the air filters every 2 to 4 weeks. Dirty filters block airflow, making your AC work harder and increasing electricity bills. 2. Check the evaporator coil for dust buildup. A clean coil improves cooling performance and air quality. 3. Inspecting the blower wheel. Dust on the fan blades reduces airflow. Give it a gentle clean if needed. 4. Keep supply vents and return air grills clear. Don't cover them with furniture or curtains. Free airflow means better cooling in every corner of your room. A clean indoor unit ensures fresh, cool air and keeps your home comfortable. Now let's talk about drainage and airflow, often overlooked but super important. 1. Clean the condensate drain line. This prevents water from leaking inside your room. You can flush it with water to remove blockages. 2. Check suction line insulation. If insulation is damaged, your AC loses cooling efficiency. Replace if worn out. 3. Ensure proper airflow through cassette return filters. Dirty filters in cassette ACs can reduce performance. 4. Remove any indoor airflow blockage. Check behind furniture or obstacles that may restrict air circulation. Proper drainage and airflow prevent leaks, maintain efficiency, and keep your AC running smoothly. Here's a quick way to check if your AC is performing at its best. 1. Run your AC before summer starts. This helps identify issues early. 2. Measure the temperature difference. Take the temperature of the return air and the supply air. 3. Look for a typical cooling drop of 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. If it's lowered, your AC may need service. 4. Listen for abnormal vibrations or compressor noise. Unusual sounds could be a sign of a problem that needs attention. A simple performance check ensures your home stays cool and worry-free all summer long. Finally, a few extra tips to keep your AC in tip-top shape. 1. Replace remote or thermostat batteries annually. Low batteries can cause control problems. 2. Inspect wiring for rodent or lizard damage. Check both indoor and outdoor units for chewed wires. 3. Schedule professional AC servicing once per year. A technician can check refrigerant levels, compressor health, and electrical components. 4. Remember, regular maintenance improves efficiency, saves electricity, and extends the life of your air conditioner. A little attention now means big savings and comfort later. That's it. Following these simple maintenance tips will keep your split AC or cassette AC running efficiently all summer. If you find this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with other homeowners, and don't forget to check your AC before the heat hits you.